Hello friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Mangugo Sharon. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a cozy evening vlog. So let's watch today's video. So guys, right now the weather in Nairobi is really cold, so all I'm now going to do is to help Milan wear another jacket, another heavy jacket on top of the one he has a sweater on and then that black jacket. So right now I'm just going to help him wear the heavy green jacket, and then I'm going to help him wear like 2 socks. So I just came from outside a while ago. I went to buy some dinner, so I'm also going to wear some socks. I feel like my legs are freezing right now. So guys, moving on, I'm going to make some warm porridge to warm everyone up. So guys, right now I'm holding a porridge flour. It's called Nutri-Toto. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation for it. It has some maize, soya and milk powder on it, and then I'm going to mix it with another one called Toto Hafia. So this Toto Hafia has some finger millet. I'm sorry, I meant it has some finger millet and some milk powder too. So I'm just going to add some of the flour. I'm going to mix both of the flours to that blue jug that you've seen a while ago, and then I'm going to add some cold water. I'm just going to make a porridge batter. I don't know if that's right. So I'm just going to mix that well and make a batter without lumps, and then I'm going to add some water to my pot, and then all I'm going to do is to boil that water, and then I'm going to add our porridge batter, and then I'm going to cook our porridge. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after a while, and as you can see, I cooked my porridge for a while and it's ready. So I'm just going to add some water to my basin, and then I'm going to cool my porridge. I don't know if that's the right word for it guys, but as you can see, I'm making my porridge cool. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, after my porridge is cool enough, I'm just going to add them to the white cups that you've seen, and then I'm going to take some, give Baba Milan some, and also give Milan some. So Milan doesn't know yet how to drink porridge with a cup, so I'm going to use a spoon to feed him as shown in the video. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. after a while I made dinner. So this dinner recipe is in my previous video. You can go and check out my channel for it. I made some vegetable brown rice and some fish stew. I'm sorry about that. So you can go and check the healthy dinner recipe. I just uploaded it recently on my channel, so I didn't see the need of making the video, of combining the video here again. So right now, as you can see, that's our fish stew, and then that's our vegetable rice. So that's what we are going to have for dinner today. So right now all I'm going to do is to serve my rice and my stew as shown in the video. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, after making dinner, I'm now just going to help Milan eat. So Milan seems to love this cartoon. It's called Dave and Eva. He enjoys it a lot, and you just know Milan, he always doesn't want to eat. So I'll have to force him to eat yet again. So I'll leave it to watch me feed Milan for a little while and I'll be right back. So guys, with this cold weather, I didn't do every part of my evening routine. I don't know if you can understand that. I didn't clear my dishes. The weather is really cold right now. So right now all I do is to wash my plates once a day. Not twice or thrice. This weather is really cold for that. So that is it for me today, guys. See you in my next video or my next vlog. Bye.